per second. I created this channel to share my passion for rocketry with everyone. A wide range of materials are used to construct the rockets, ranging from fiberglass to wrapping cardboard tubes with carbon fiber or fiberglass. Building techniques using power tools and modern technology like 3D printing help create these projects. Also, a little custom metal fabrication for motor retainers is needed. 3D CAD, 3D printing, and RockSim are a crucial part in designing my rockets. Flight avionics such as altimeters are used to record data and control the rocket's descent. I also custom make parachutes for my projects and other rocketeers. This is newtons per second. Let's have some fun.